Hey guys, Nicole here with Best Easy Recipe. You can't go wrong with bacon and eggs, right? Well, why not try out these bacon deviled eggs? They're delicious. Stay tuned for just a few short minutes and I'll show you how you can make this at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't want you to miss out on any recipes to come. Also, please like me on Facebook, or you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Time to learn how to make these delicious bacon deviled eggs. To start off, you'll take 6 hard-boiled eggs and go ahead and cut them in half. Take out a medium-sized mixing bowl and take each egg and pop out the yolk into the bowl. From here, you'll add in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And then you'll add in about a tablespoon of yellow mustard. Next, add in about 1.5 tablespoons of ranch dressing. Last but not least, you'll add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now you'll take a fork and just mash the yolks and mix everything together until it's nice and even. It's going to be a little lumpy, but you kind of want it that way. Now here's the part we've all been waiting for. Add in about 1/4 cup of cooked chopped bacon and mix that in there. Take that bacony delicious mixture and just stuff each egg with it. For all the bacon lovers out there, you can top each egg with some bacon crumbles. Look at that! Just 2 minutes out of your day and you've learned how to make delicious bacon deviled eggs. Perfect for a barbecue, picnic, or just a side dish.